Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A55, and today I'll show you how you can insert your SIM card and SD card into this phone. Now to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector, which will come provided with the device and looks something similar to this one. But if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, strain on one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the top of the device, as you can see right over here. Push the pin in, and the tray will pop out enough for you to be able to pull it out fully. On the tray you will have space for either two SIM cards, so one on either side, or one SIM card and one SD card. Now when it comes down to using dual SIM, take one of your SIM card and place it on the bottom side, and it kind of looks, it's way too big for the SIM card, and you will see it fits sideways like so. But for purposes of using one of each, you just place this card on the top and your SD card on the bottom. Make sure that the cards clip in place. They should not be protruding from anywhere, and if you flip them over, they should stay on the tray. From there, insert it back into your device, and these cards should start working right away. Now for me, the SIM card might not work because it has been deactivated, but it looks like it's still trying to show up with some kind of info. So SIM card is working, and SD card should be working, there we go, as well, which you can see based on this notification. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.